Uh, had to catch some lightning speed particles. Uh, when I'm talking about the lightning speed particles, is more than 100 times, at least double times faster than the photon's speed. So how to catch something invisible, very fast particles? Uh, my subject is exploring some ship lightning speed engine or this kind of technology. Okay, exploring. So if you want to create this engine, it's a kind of you must use some very fast particles to push and. But hard to catch some very fast particles. And, so you must observe some quantities, that when you increased without too much reason, uh, because why without too much reason? And because all the fast particles action is a kind of a lot of chemical or our physical style because each uh, the the situation occur under kind of very fast uh, appearance, or disappearance. So you cannot catch it. Mm. You cannot catch it, Even the whole action uh, happened. That's why uh, for some faster particles, they kind of uh, they are very active. But all the active situation, you cannot catch it. But you can observe something happened. The value increased, but without the kind of chemical physical uh, performance which uh, we can perceive. Like some the radiation, the heat, the water, but the kind of hydrogen, the kind of we can see the hydrogen, uh, the atom power increase. It can absorb two oxygen before it's kind of water. But after we use the radiation heat the hydrogen. Mm. We use the radiation heat the hydrogen. The atom power of the hydrogen increased. So it's a kind of very interesting phenomenon, Uh, for this kind of interesting, uh, the atom value increased, the atom power increased, is a kind of phenomenon. How we can catch the fast particles? Because I don't believe the kind of radiation it can have something, or the hydrogen it has something, uh, can create the power, can create the kind of value. It just can create a kind of devices, capture devices which can catch the fast power particles. And for this kind of devices, uh, like the radiation heat the atom core of the hydrogen, but it created kind of devices, release some very uh, positive fast particles and some kind of mm, lactive uh, lactive faster particles that hit together and absorb it. I don't know. Okay, because for fast particles, mm, nobody can perceive it. But what we can perceive is a kind of if we if we can create a kind of devices, and calculate all kind of physical and chemical, uh, very active, very active situation, calculate the whole value. If the whole value increased, you know, it is breaks the Einstein's law. C equal to uh, uh, what is Einstein's the, the value and the Power uh, equation rules. The Power is equal to C m to 2. You know, if a break exists, the value increase without reason, and power increase or reduce without reason, then there must be some fast particles being perceived, being catched. But for this kind of situation I described just now, the radiation hit the water and changes the atom power of the uh, hydrogen. Uh, it's just my suggestion how to how to perceive the fast particles. You must have a kind of solution to calculate mm, the radiation and the hydrogen value, the whole value. If the whole value between the uh, active between the collision activation, if the whole value increase, then there must be some fast particles, being catched, and so we must observe all kind of the atom power from all kind of uh, chemical, physical uh, activation, you know, for all kind of situation. The atom power increased, like the atom power, the gas increased to absorb more uh, uh, all kind of atoms or all kind of uh, mm, particles, and from all kind of, you know, this kind of situation, we find it the uh, most valuable, most possibility we can calculate the whole value on. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you're interested to developing the ship lighting speed technology, okay, you can leave your comments below. Okay. Mm. You can leave your comments below, and I'm going to create the lighting speed engine club now. Okay, and collecting the most intelligent people who can involve to developing the ship lighting speed technology. Okay, and thank you for watching. And if you are interested, okay, and, leave a comment below, and I'll leave the email below, and we can discuss together. Okay, bye bye.